What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the video. Today gonna put the engine inside my Celica. Like, it's finally time, and I'm like super nervous. I hope I did everything right on it. I hope it's rebuilt the right way, and I just hope it works good. Freaking nervous. I'm just cleaning up around the shop right now. This is some just remnant of stuff from doing the V6 swap. The V6 swap will be in a couple more videos, probably a lot more videos, probably for the remainder of the channel. We're going to be doing like 0 to 60, some track stuff, some driving stuff. You got an exhaust put on it, so that's going to sound awesome. And I'll make a little video on that. It should just be me and Dave today, I'm pretty sure. We're going to bang this out, throw my engine in. I got a couple of things slowing me down, stopping me. A clutch alignment tool, and my speed sensor on my transmission is broke. But other than that, it should be good. And I got some awesome parts I want to show you guys for this engine. And I know this engine doesn't make a lot of horsepower, but I really like the 7A FE engines. I know I could do a 4AG or a 7A GE, and I'm probably going to do a 7A GE in the future. But for right now, I really like the 7A FE. I like how it's set up. I like the design. I like how simple it is. And I'm just going to rock it for now. And maybe in the future, I'll turbocharge it, build it NA, supercharge it, do a 7A FE ZE, I guess. I'm just going to finish cleaning up the shop, wait till Dave gets here. And maybe by the time he gets here, I'll have all this cleaned up, and we're going to push the Celica in and get started on it, guys. Like, it's freaking coming. Like, this car is almost done. Almost. After I get the engine in, I'm going to get it painted, and it's just going to be sick. I'm going to get some really nice tires mounted on these wheels right here. Not those ones, but these ones. And yeah, so I'll catch you guys in a bit when Dave comes back, or when I'm done cleaning here, and I'll show you the parts. All right, so these are all the parts that I ordered for the Celica and the Mustang. And the one that I thought was the coolest was a guy down in, I think, Chicago or something, or Ohio, something like that, makes a header for the 7A FE. And this thing is freaking awesome. Now, what would it be? They did like multiple setups. There was a 4 to 2 to 1. There was a 4 to 1. But I thought this one would be the best. Not too sure. But this thing looks freaking awesome. Like, whoever made this did such a good job. And like, it just looks great. You know, he went over this with like a flat edge and everything, so it's perfectly straight. And like, just the craftsmanship and the amount of work that went into this thing, I think it looks freaking awesome. And I'm just going to ditch that catalytic converter idea that I had about like decatting it. And I'm just going to take this OEM manifold off and replace it with that one really quick to see how it bolts up. And then I'm going to like organize all these boxes, see which one's for the Mustang, see which one's for the Celica, and throw away all this crap. But it's pretty clean in here. Got some scrap metal over there, but yeah, it's way better than what it was before. And yeah, I'm gonna get to work on just starting to put this back together, and I'll catch you guys when I put it back. See what happens. Rev that shit. Dude, that sounds so good.
It sounds good. It sounds like shit on camera.
Does it?
Yeah.
I don't know. It sounds good to me. That down. What is that?
That's just because it's fucking a V6, dude.
I don't know. I mean, it sounds good to me. Damn. Bro, this thing fucking rips.
Yeah, it does.
She's stuck. We're jump starting. All right, ready? Go. Do it. Are you doing anything? Yeah. I was like waiting for you to do it. I'm like, when are you doing it?
Go downhill or down there.
All right. So the exhaust manifold I bought was completely wrong in every way.
Yeah.
Literally every way. The bullholes don't line up. The pipes point straight up. And yeah. Let's hope the exhaust ports actually like line up. And I don't get a half moon on one of my exhaust ports and just build up a bunch of carbon.
Exactly.
So,
Oh, would you look at that?
wow, it actually goes on. All right.
Finally.
Let's remember the placement of that and weld those bad boy headers on back on this engine. Got the timing belt done. Dang.